Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this one, just going to show you that not everything in van life is rainbows and unicorns. Everything turned out okay, but check this out.
So you may ask, why did we stop here? I'm going to show you.
Yay!
You know, those pretty rocks Beth keeps picking up. I ran over one on the road. It blew the tire out, and now we're working on getting somebody to come and tow us to a tire shop, and that involves speaking Norwegian, which Beth and I, neither of us are very good at. We got a German company for insurance that's going to try and get us a tow truck to get us to a tire place. So fortunately, this spot was here that we could pull over on the side of the road, but there's a guy back there that I think is going to want to get out, so we might have to move the truck with that tire blown out the way it is. We'll see what happens. But meanwhile, Beth is working her magic. What kind of magic you doing over there, Beth?
Just making phone calls to insurance companies, tire repair places, and tow truck guys.
And Timex.
And Timex. Thank God for Timex. Yes.
Okay. And can you show us the offending culprit at your feet?
Oh, the rock?
I went back and got it.
It's a lovely example of anthracite.
Mm-hmm.
Very common rock here in Norway. Very heavy.
Mm-hmm.
So, yeah.
It was in a road. I couldn't avoid it. And there was a truck coming from the other direction, so.
It was the rock or the truck? Mark chose the rock.
And the rock took the tire. So.
There you go.
Here we are. We'll let you know what happens. We'll show you some video of the tow truck, maybe.
Hopefully.
If they send one today.
Yeah. Living on the side of the road.
Yeah. Here we go.
Wenn Sie Fragen zu einem bereits gemeldeten Schutzbriefschaden haben, dann drücken Sie bitte die 2. Wenn Sie einen anderen Schaden melden möchten oder Fragen zu einem bereits gemeldeten Schaden haben, dann drücken Sie bitte.
So Beth, what's going on right now?
Making lunch.
Okay, what's going on with the tow truck and everything?
We
waiting. Don't know. Yeah.
I'm not good at that.
Yep, it's going to happen. We'll be fine. We had no plans today except to do some grocery shopping.
I think those swords are bad luck.
Yep, we can't make it there. So, yeah, we were supposed to go see.
Did you see this?
I did. We're not quite level. We're supposed to go see the Three Swords in Stavanger. What happened the first time?
We went the other way so that we could go see the waterfall.
We went a different way. And then, what else? There was some other time we were supposed to go there and we didn't. That was it?
Oh,
okay.
No, when we were on the cruise, we did a different excursion.
Right. So, yeah, and this time we're kind of on our way there today, and we're not making it there again. So, I think Beth is right. It's kind of the Norse gods don't want us there for some reason. They're throwing large rocks in our path.
They're checking our determination.
Or resilience.
Our resilience, yes.
Or definitely resilient. So, but yeah, that's where it is. I'll keep you guys updated, but it's lunchtime. Here they are. How would you like it? Want me to drive here? Yeah?
We're going the wrong way, though.
This way? This way first? Okay. I think we're staying right here, Beth.
Cool.
So we're on the tow truck. That's a first for Mark. I've never drove onto a tow truck. Have you?
No.
Okay.
I can't remember any time I've ever needed a tow truck.
We've always had boyfriends.
Yeah, boyfriends take care of these things.
Yeah, well, I'm doing the best I can. So I think it's Lars. And Lars had a lady with him.
Mm-hmm.
And we're up here looking at the sun. I don't know what goes on here. I don't know how dangerous this is. I know this is something you don't do in the States. So, but here we are. How you doing, honey?
I'm not doing well. I'm in a tow truck. I'm on a tow truck in my car. Ooh.
It's a flatbed tow. Yeah.
Okay.
What's he gonna do?
It's gonna stoop it a little more. He wants to get out of the street.
Yep. We're in the red go. This is very weird, but very scenic. Nice view.
Are you steering, Mark?
Yep.
We'll put on the
back
brake.
up.
Dippy.
We're strapped on. So here's Mark driving,
You're not driving.
but I can see where our problem came. You see this mill, this mine? This is where the rock came from. That was on the street. So, because it happened right here. And was not a happy thing to happen to us today. But it is what it is. And now we got a 40-minute ride in the back of on the bed of a tow truck. Like I said, something I've never done before. I've wanted to. Always thought it would be cool, but here we are.
That's where we were parked.
There's your parking spot.
Hello, I'm the American with the camper van that called earlier looking to see if you had a tire for our camper. And the tow truck has arrived and he's bringing us to you. We'll be there in about a half an hour, 45 minutes. Okay, so we'll see you in a little while then. Thank you.
You can see us go by in the windows of the houses.
Oh yeah? You can see our reflection?
Yep.
Oh yeah.
There's another robotic lawnmower. Potential neighbor. This is anti-tank concrete. I call them dragon's teeth. Kind of weird to see this in Norway, but the sea is just on the other side of that embankment, so it kind of makes sense.
Protecting against amphibious tanks.
Yeah, probably put there by the Nazis.
Yeah.
So, cool. And over there, a free parking lot that we're not going to. Because we're going to the tire shop. Well, in about another hour, we'll be in Stavanger. We're just going to have this guy drop us off downtown Stavanger. What do you think, Beth?
Yep. So, there's white caps on the ocean.
Show them the white caps.
Yep.
And a big-
North Sea.
So now we're going the wrong way. Beth has her GPS out.
I can't. Beth is upset.
Well, you gave him the address, right?
Yeah, and he handed it back to me.
Yeah? Okay. I don't get what's going on here, do you?
We're getting taken for a ride.
Ha! Beth made a joke.
Beth is very upset.
Yeah. Well, we'll see how it all shakes out, honey. All right, so how long have we been in the back of the truck here, Beth?
We've been here about an hour now. It was supposed to be a 20-minute drive. It is not. Our tow truck driver got lost. Brought us to a different town.
Well, we've been lost in Norway before,
Yes.
but we don't live here.
No. So yeah, I'm pretty upset, but we'll see how it goes.
Yeah. So, driving on. Well, we made it to the place.
Yay.
It's, 3:30?
Mm-hmm.
And we're going to have to get our tire changed here. Looks like a spa day for tires. And I think they're letting us off the truck, but nobody's talking to us, so.
Yeah.
Give the camera to Beth.
Thanks, honey. Oh, so you can drive off.
I think I'm going to have to drive off.
Should I turn it off for now and then turn it back
No,
on?
just leave it on.
There's a scooter we can practice scootering on.
Oh, nice. That'll be fun.
We can film her in the back of the car there.
Oh, yeah. You got the reflection.
Mm-hmm.
There's the... It's either Beavis or Butthead. I don't know which one it is.
That's the tire guy.
The tire guy, so that's Beavis.
Just lay back. Relax.
Ready for takeoff.
It'll be over soon. Did he say go? Yeah? Good job. There goes the tow truck.
It's a sunny day. It's the next day.
It's the next day.
The last thing you guys saw was us getting the van off of the truck at the tire shop. Well, there was a lot going on at the tire shop, so we didn't film anything there. But let me flip you around here.
Hi,
Beth,
good morning.
are you better today?
I am so much better today. I think we handled the situation as best as we could. We had to find our insurance. Timek helped us. He called because they only spoke German, the insurance company. They sent out a tow truck guy with a tow truck.
Tell me how nice the tow truck driver was and what happened.
Lars was very nice. He had been the tow truck guy I had called before I knew we had insurance for tow truck guys. And he came and got us, but he got lost going to the tire company, and I was
With
very
us on the
upset.
back?
Yeah, I was sitting in
You guys saw that.
Yeah, we were sitting in the van. He's going the wrong way. I'm like, holy fuck. But, yeah, he did get us to where
That
we
wasn't
needed to go.
appropriate grandma talk, and
I'm
I'll fix
sorry.
that.
Thank you.
I'll fix it.
He finally got us to the right place. And then when we got to the place that I had called ahead to see if we had the right tire for our van, he said, yes, we have one of those in stock. And when we got there, he couldn't find it. But he didn't tell us that. He told our tow truck driver that. So the tow truck driver got the job of talking to us and keeping he waited to make sure that the tire was actually there. He didn't just dump us off.
And the end is,
there is the tire.
you saw the original one. Now we got this one. It's a little different than the other one, but we really don't care
No, we only have 1 more month to go.
because we're selling the thing,
Yep.
and that'll be the end of it. So that was our adventure.
Uh-huh.
We're not quitting van life.
No, it's just...
Oh my God, it's a tragedy. Big X.
Yeah.
Oh no. So
We have a new tire. We can move on.
and
It's all okay. Just
let's see the rock that we hit.
Oh, it took 1 day out of our month in Norway.
Yeah. So just so you guys know,
Don't run these over.
that's a Norwegian rock
They're very pointy.
and very dangerous.
This is anthracite, in case
That
you
was
care.
in the middle of the road. I think we might have showed it already, but anyway.
Wrapping up.
Let's go get out of here.
Okay.